Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cut my ear tab. So today is my ear tab tutorial. This is gonna help you guys to make sure that your frontals are laying properly behind your ears and that your install is gonna be as natural as possible. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, and I'm also gonna show you how to blend the lace. I showed you in my previous video. If you guys want to check out my edges tutorial, I will have it linked up in the eye above so you guys can see a detailed tutorial on how I got my edges to look like that. These are the curls. I did go ahead and just define them. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to visit Celie hair. I will have the links down below so you guys can check them out, and let's get right into this video. So today's wig is in collaboration with Celie hair, and they decided to send me this deep wave type of loose type of wave frontal wig. I do not have my blow dryer, so I'm gonna try to do this purely glueless, no blow dry or nothing. One thing you want to make sure is that you're putting your foundation inside of the lace. This is how the wig looks on the inside. I went ahead and bleached the front of the wig just so it can look more natural. I'm gonna just take the foundation on a flat foundation brush, and I'm going to put it on the inside of the wig. Just kind of push it on the inside, or you can also use some lace tint spray. And once you have that all inside the lace, now you want to go on top of the lace and put that on the top side of the lace. And this is going to make sure that you have no flashback or anything like that right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the top side of the lace. It doesn't matter if it gets on the hair because it's going to come off. As you can see, look at over here. It's kind of like still kind of white, but then when you look at over here, it's literally that brown color all the way through. And now I'm gonna put on my wig and cut off my ear tabs like regular. I do have an old dedicated ear tab video, but I'm just gonna zoom up and show you guys this. So for the ear tabs, don't tighten your wig or anything, just put it on your head. So now I'm gonna take my comb. I need to get my comb so I can part out around my ear area. I recommend using some hair clips to hold the hair out of the way, just so you're not gonna accidentally cut too much or too less. Make sure you can see, and then just like press the comb down so you can feel where your ear is. And I'm just going to part right directly on my ear, like where I'm feeling the comb on my ear. I'm going to part directly on it, so it's right here. So my ear is right here. You can see it through the lace. And then make sure that you're feeling the back area, because you don't want to cut any tracks. So make sure that you're parting out the hair that's the track. And then I'm going to use a hair clip to pin this up, and I'm going to cut off the lace around the ear where we parted. You can get another clip and cut like so, and then that's kind of like a guide. Take your time because you don't want to cut your ear. I did cut my ear before, like 2 years ago, along the line that you made, like so. And then all you have to do is just take your ear out, and this is gonna sit comfortably right on your ear. So that's how you do your ear tabs. I'm gonna do the other one so you can see that as well, and that should help you, because I know ear tabs are like the most annoying thing ever. This hair is so pretty though. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side. Do the same exact thing, parting out, using your comb to part out on your ear. I'm just going to clip this up and go ahead and cut off the ear tab on the line that you made. And when you cut the ear tab, it should be comfortable, so it should lay nice and comfortably on your head. I'm going to take my wig and I'm going to tighten the elastic band as tight as possible. So just take the bands and crisscross them and tighten them as tight as possible in the back here on these things. So I still recommend using a hot comb to lay this down. So I'm just going to cut off the lace. And I'm going to use this to cut it off. I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse just to tame it down a little bit because it's very big and I like it big, but I want it to be a little bit tamed, like at the front.
When the moon looking with you compass, wanna chill with me for the summertime, but I only come alive in the nighttime. Show you go body like an hourglass.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. And stay tuned to my 50K giveaway because now I'm at 50K, and that is so crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Don't forget to visit Celie Hair and let me know if this was helpful. Bye.